Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Chevy, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2008 Chevy Impala 3.9, and here's the check engine code. Fuel trim too lean, fuel trim too rich, acceleration pedal sensor. The customer just want to fix the fuel trim issue and the acceleration pedal. So his complaint was when he drive it, every time he step on the gas pedal, it's like a late response to acceleration. So I believe the gas pedal is going bad, so that's why it's throwing the code. That's why it's like saying like it's a slow response on accelerating. And I bought the pedal here. That's the part number. This is from O'Reilly. You can see that's the part number. And the fuel trim, I believe that has to do with the mass airflow sensor, and the when I looked it up on the computer, it says it has to do with the fuel composition reset. Once I reset that and fix the mass airflow sensor, it should be good. But I'm going to show you how to take out all the parts. Now for the gas pedal, there's only 2 bolts holding onto it, 10mm right here. Now once you remove the 2 bolt, you can take it down. For the connector, you're gonna pull this lock up, this white lock up, press on the tab and pull it. That's it. It's pretty easy. And then just put in my new one. So since you're here, check out the connector too. Make sure the wire here, they're all good, they're not broken or damaged. Make sure the pin is nice and straight, no corrosion or like any damage, and just go ahead and put it back. There you go. Push it in all the way, press the tap down, there you go, and then just put it back on the hole right there, line it up, put the 2 screws back. So you can see I mounted back the gas pedal. It's good. For the old gas pedal, this is still original from GM. Trying to give you guys the part number, but the part number is too faded. So that's it for the gas pedal. Here I ordered the air filter and the mass airflow sensor for the car. This is the part number, and that is the part number for the mass airflow. You can see his old air filter is very dirty. For the mass airflow sensor, I do not know what's all this white stuff that got in here. And the element inside here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a hard angle, but the element in here looks very bad. So I'm gonna replace the mass airflow sensor. To take out the mass airflow sensor is pretty easy. It's just 2 hook right here that hooked onto the box right here, and you loosen the clamp and then just pull it straight up. For the mass airflow, there's 2 bolts that's holding onto the sensor on both sides. Unscrew it, and then you can just take it out. There you go. Here's the old one. This is it's kind of dirty. This is original. So this car has been very old. I think AC Deco, yeah, this is original. I believe that's the part number. And I've got my new one. I'm gonna put in the new one. I swapped over the gasket from the old one to the new one. The gasket still looks good, so I'm gonna reuse it. Make sure you guys wipe down the surface right here. Wipe all the dirt out so it sits making good contact, so there's no leak. This only go in one way. There's a pin right here, and you can line it up, and then just put it on, put the 2 screw back. So I put everything back already. For the airbox, make sure you guys put the hook line up with the 2 hole down here so it sits straight, so that way you can clamp it back. Tighten down the clamps right here, put back my connector, and make sure when you take the connector out, check the wire too, and the pin inside the connector right here. Make sure there's no corrosion, no damage. If it's good, put it back. So for the two codes I looked up on the computer, it has to do with the mass airflow sensor, and I also have to reset the fuel composition reset for this. So the customer just want to fix the fuel trim code and the acceleration pedal. So I'm just gonna clear it, and then I'm gonna reset the fuel trim composition. Clear code. So, there you go. I'm gonna key off, key on real quick, and then I'm gonna go to functional test. No, not idle. And then I'm gonna go down to fuel composition reset. There you go. So before you guys do this, I recommend you putting regular gas on the fuel tank, and then reset the composition. So what it is just it's reading the alcohol in the gas. So I'm just gonna reset this. Let's reset. Reset procedure complete. That's it. There you go. That's it, guys. So that is it for this video. So just acceleration pedal sensor, the mass airflow sensor with the fuel composition reset. So that is it. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.